Hello and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Taylor with 907 Fantasy Sports, and we got a bunch of free plays for you today. So we got a total of 5 free plays for you today. So make sure you stick around and lock all these in. If you guys are new to any of the apps, Chalkboard, Sleeper, Dabble, or BETR, use the code 907 Fantasy right here. They're going to hook you up with some free money. Over on Sleeper and Chalkboard, they're going to hook you up with $100 of completely free money to go and play with when you deposit up to $100. So it's a $100 deposit match on Sleeper and Chalkboard, but you just need to deposit at least $10. So go ahead and take advantage of the free money there. BETR, it's a $200 deposit match plus a free pick. So $200 completely free money to go play with. And then over on Dabble, this is my favorite one right now. You don't even have to deposit any money. Don't have to put in any credit card information, anything at all. Just go ahead and sign up with code 907 Fantasy, and they're going to give you $25 of completely free money to go and play with. So make sure to take advantage of that. It's completely free money. So let's lock in these free plays. First up, we're going to go over on, we'll go over on Sleeper first. So we got Dylan Cease of San Diego. They've discounted his strikeouts from 4.5 down to 2.5. So we're taking the over there. And then we're matching it up with some Thursday night football between the San Francisco 49ers and the Seattle Seahawks. So we're going Dylan Cease over 2.5 strikeouts, and then we're going Geno Smith and Brock Purdy, both of them over 225 passing yards. So those are both lowered lines. We lowered those lines to 225. They're both averaging about 275 to 290. So this should be an easy win for a nice 3x payout. So that's the first free play over on Sleeper. Like I said, use the code 907 Fantasy over there. They're going to hook you up with $100 of completely free money. If you don't have $100 to put in, put $10 in and go lock this in. They're going to hook you up with $20. You'll have $10 to go play with this. So by tomorrow, you'll have $50 in Sleeper if you put $10 in. So that's the first one of the 5 free picks. Next one is we're going over on Chalkboard, and they have a bunch of discounted and boosted lines over there. Use the code 907 Fantasy over there as well, and they're going to hook you up with a $100 deposit match. But first, free pick over there is we're going DK Metcalf over 22.5 receiving yards, matching that up with Brock Purdy over 250 passing yards. Next one is we're going Bobby Witt Jr. over 1 hit. So he gets 1 hit tonight versus the New York Yankees. And then we're going Brock Purdy over 225 passing yards. So that's the second free play. Third one is we're going Clark Schmidt over 2 strikeouts, or to get 2 strikeouts tonight. And then we're going Tyler Huff over 80 rushing yards. So that's the third free play. Fourth free play, and I guess this is the 5th free play, but 4th on Chalkboard is Michael Petway, over 30 receiving yards, and then Alex Cobb to get 1 strikeout tonight. So those are the 4 free plays over on Chalkboard. If you guys are new to Chalkboard, make sure you go over there, use the code 907 Fantasy. It does help out the channel. I do appreciate it. So go lock those in, and then go over on Dabble and BETR as well. Those ones are going to give you some free money as well, so make sure to lock in over there. If you guys want any of the free plays, that's going to be up here on the Winible. It's winible.com/907 Fantasy Sports. That's where I post all of the free plays. All of these have already been sent out to my free play group over there. So go ahead and get locked in over on Winible. If you guys are interested in the NFL College Football Week Pass, we've profited the last 3 weeks over there, and we're going to continue to do that each and every week. This week, I'm super excited. We got some great games on, so we're going to go up another 40-50 units this week. Make sure to go ahead and grab a week pass right here. It's normally $100, but if you use the code Henry, that's going to get you 70% off of the week pass. So it's $30 to go and play with. It's limited to the first 10 people. So make sure to go hop in over on the week pass, get signed up, and go lock in all of these plays. So good luck with all of your plays today. If you're going to be telling me on any of these, let me know down in the comments below. All those links to all the apps and Winible is going to be down in the description below. So go ahead and get locked in over there. But let's go cash tonight. Let's go have another great day, and good luck, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.